Hello and welcome to my videos about Open Roberta. In this video I'm going to talk to you about variables. In Open Roberta we can use variables and I'm going to show you how to do that. I have a program here and the robot uses an ultrasonic sensor to detect small distances, and every time the distance is smaller than a variable, it drives backwards and then it steers forward. So let's see what it does. It steers, detects the obstacle, goes back, and it does this a few times. I want to count the times the robot does this. So for that I'm going to use a variable. I can see here that we have variables here, a block called variables, but unfortunately there are no variables here. If we want to declare a variable, we must use the start block and click on the plus sign. This is the start block, the plus sign, and now I have one variable called item, and it's the type number, which means it stores numbers, and the initial value is 0. If I don't need this variable, I can click the minus sign. I'm going to use a variable, so I'm going to change its name for count, since I'm counting a number of times. So the type, I'm going to choose number, not boolean, not string, not color, not any of these, and the initial value will be 0. Next, I want to increase the value of this variable, so I'm going to use this instruction, set count to math. I'm going to add the value it already has and a number. I'm going to add 1. So every time the distance is smaller, I'm going to increase by 1 the value of this variable. And I want to show here in this little screen of the EV3, I'm going to keep showing the value of the variable. So I need here display. I'm going to show text, maybe here, well, we'll see. And I'm going to need some more things here. Create text with, not this. The name of the variable, the space, and the value. Okay, let's see what will happen here. I'm going to start this. Count is 1. Count is 2. But it keeps writing. It's overwriting, so I'm going to do this like this, and I'm going to clear display here. Let's see. Now the text disappears and it's not overwriting, and it keeps counting the number of obstacles the robot finds with one simple numeric variable. So this is a way to use variables. There are a lot of ways, and you can explore this and have fun.